Today, we're going to build a B-2 bomber using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I saw this design on Pinterest and loved it, made a few modifications and just kind of wanted to share it with you here on my channel. But what we're going to do is start with these two 2x2 corner plates. And what we're going to do is we're going to put those two corner plates so that those ends of the corners just snap together and just kind of make a square or diamond shape. And then in the back here, we've got this stud that's a little bit lower than the others. I'm going to grab a 2x2 plate piece and just put that plate piece into that little corner on top of that stud right here, and we're kind of taking the shape of our B-2 bomber. Now, the next thing we're going to do is grab two of these 2x2 plates again, these corner plates, these 2x2 corner plates, and what I'm going to do is I've got this corner stud. I'm going to put that corner stud into the corner of my 2x2 plate like this, and you kind of see how it forms. We got a lower stud here, and then I'll show you the underneath view so you can kind of see how this goes together. But what we're going to do, grab that 2x2 corner plate, put it so that it runs parallel to that front corner plate we have, and then goes down. So this is the underneath view, and this is the top view of our B-2 bomber right now. Now we've got to make it smoother and stealthier so radar can't pick it up. And what we're going to do is grab two of these 1x1 tile pieces. And I'm going to put that 1x1 tile piece right here on that far back stud of my corner plate, and put it right there, and then do it to the other side as well to smooth it out. And next we got to put on those long wings, the big old wings of the B-2 bomber. And to do that, I'm going to grab two 1x4 tile pieces, and I'll put the tile pieces on that last kind of lower stud of my corner plate so it runs along the end like this. I'm going to do it to both sides, and we've got the wings of my B-2 bomber. Now we just got to kind of finish smoothing it out so it can avoid that radar. So I'm going to grab another 2x2 tile piece. So instead of a plate piece, now a tile piece. I'm going to put that tile piece right there on those front three studs to the very first corner plate I was working with. And now that it's all smoothed out, we got to put that little bump in the center where the cockpit is for the pilots to make their run. And to do that, I'm going to grab two of these 2x1 curved slope pieces. And I'll put the curved slope so the thicker end is on that corner stud of my 2x2 plate going forward and onto the corner tile piece. And I got another one, side stud, thicker end going onto the stud. And then I'm just going to kind of shift them together so the corners are touching in the center, and it makes a little like just a nice sharper point on the top of the cockpit. But here is my B-2 bomber ready to make its stealth run on its Lego enemies.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.